Hi everyone, I'm Lilia and welcome back to my channel. I've been drawing for quite a while now, and like most artists, I've experienced both creative highs and lows, weeks of intense productivity and days where I couldn't get anything done. The result? Some successful projects and few that never made it past the sketchbook. But over time, I developed a few simple strategies that really help me to stay productive, especially when I need that creative boost the most. And today, I want to share them with you. Number 1. The productive day starts the night before. Preparation is everything. A few things done in the night before can make your next day smoother and, more importantly, free up your mental energy for the creative stuff. Let's start with something boring but powerful. Number 2. Clean your workspace. There is nothing more annoying or more draining than a messy desk. If you manage to sit down and get comfy, random clutter will constantly pull your attention away. So tidy up the night before, especially if you are not too tired for anything intellectually demanding. A quick tip. Keep a pack of unscented wet wipes nearby. Game changer! Number 3. Prep some food. No one wants to stop mid-flow because they're hungry or unprepared. Make something in advance. Overnight oats, a sandwich, anything simple. Keep your fridge stocked and your brain focused. And while we are talking about fuel, number 4. Hydrate like a pro. Get yourself a big cup or a thermos. Fill it with whatever keeps you going. Coffee, tea, matcha, or just plain water. Stay hydrated without breaking your creative rhythm. Number 5. Plan your day with intention. Use a planner, calendar app, or just a notebook. Schedule your tasks, but also leave room for breaks and unproductive time, because little distractions throughout the day can sneakily drain your energy. Pick from 1 to 3 realistic, achievable goals for the day. Try to estimate how long they will take. Your guesses might be off at the first, but over time you will get much better at it. Number 6. Block time for social media. Let's be honest, if you're a modern artist, managing social media is a part of a job. I always underestimate how long it takes. So block the time for posting, replying to comments, or editing content. It's admin work, but it matters. Number 7. Brain dump your ideas before bed. Write down a few creative ideas before you sleep. That way your brain will already primed when you wake up. You'll be surprised how much easier it is to start to create. Number 8. Use a sketchbook daily. Think of your sketchbook as a gym for your creativity. Low pressure, high value. Don't be afraid of blank pages. 2 tricks. Number 1. Buy inexpensive sketchbooks so you are not afraid to mess them up. Number 2. Start somewhere in the middle. It removes the pressure of making the first page perfect. Number 9. Rethink music while working. I love working with music or podcasts, but here is the truth. Silent sketching is often more focused and productive. The design choices and color work usually turn out better too. My personal routine? I work in silence during idea generation and then add music or something melodic during the rendering phase. Number 10. Take active breaks. Don't just sit around scrolling during breaks. Move, stretch, and take a walk. Dance, whatever works. I have a doggo, so fetch, playtimes, and walks keep me energized throughout the day. Highly recommended. Number 11. Find what productivity style works for you. I've tried the Pomodoro method, and honestly, it doesn't work for me. Never did. I prefer working in alone focused blocks without switching tasks too often. Find what fits your style, not just trending. Number 12. Batch similar tasks. Group similar tasks together to save mental energy. For example, respond to mails in one go. Do all your filming and photographing in a single section. Block off time for scripting, reference research, line art, or coloring. It's way more efficient than bouncing between unrelated things all day. Number 13. Seek daily inspiration. Spend a few minutes each day looking at art, reading something uplifting, or listening to a podcast or vlog by fellow creatives. Even a small dose can light your creative spark. Number 14. End your day with a quick review. Before you wrap up, take 5 minutes to reflect. What did you accomplish? What worked well? What could be better? Try to put down how long each task actually took. You'll thank yourself later when planning future projects and quoting time for clients. Number 15. Respect rest time. Productivity isn't about hustling non-stop. Creative energy needs space to recharge. So reward yourself. Take a proper break. Rest is not a luxury, it's a part of the process. I hope these tips help you to structure your days and unlock your creative flow. Let me know in the comments which strategy you've tried first, and try to share your own hacks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Cheers!